When two things are directly proportional to one another, what does that mean exactly? It means that if one doubles, the other also doubles, and if one triples, the other also triples, and if one increases by 30%, the other one also increases by 30%. The distance that you travel with the speed at which you're traveling, right? If you double your speed, you'll double your distance. Another example is a simple annual interest rate and the interest that you earn. Right? All else being equal, if you triple the simple annual interest rate, you'll triple the interest that you earn. So those are examples of things that are directly proportional to one another. Now in this case, they're asking us, what is the value of p when I is 70? And I'm going to start with statement 2 because it's talking about p and I. Those are the things that they're asking about. So if I know the value of p when I is 50, can I find the value of p when I is 70? Yes, because they're directly proportional. So 70 versus 50, we're talking about 7/5 as much. So we're going from I equals 50 to I equals 70. We're multiplying by 7/5. Or if you prefer, you can think of it as a 40% increase. P will experience the exact same change. It will get multiplied by 7/5. Or it will increase by 40%, if you prefer to think of it that way. So I don't actually have to compute the value of p. I can just say that, yes, this is sufficient on its own. I know the value of p when I is 50, so I can infer the value of p when I is 70. It would just be 7/5 as much as it used to be. Let's eliminate the answer choices that claim that 2 is not sufficient on its own. So A, C, and E are gone, and we're down to B or D. Now statement 1 gives us the value of E when I is 60. So with the first statement on its own, I could figure out the value of E when I is 70. But I don't see how I can find the value of P when I is 70 because I don't have a starting point for P. I don't have a baseline. So that's kind of the important difference between statement 1 and statement 2. 1 would allow us to find the value of E when I is 70, and 2 allows us to find the value of P when I is 70. And therefore the correct answer here is B. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.